Hello guys, my name is Lux Infant and today we're going to be watching Best Steve Realistic Videos Complex. I don't know. You guys can read it. This is going to be so satisfying, I guess. I can make a better house than this. And this is not try to say loud challenge. It's not. No. We're just going to watch it. And he has gravity. Wow, that's really satisfying. I wish Minecraft in 2050, I think Minecraft is going to be more satisfying than this. Wow, that's so satisfying. Oh, I could just melt it. What? Save money like Mr. Beast? Huh. Yeah, that's garbage. His head. Why do iron golems have to have villager noses like villagers? Just why? I'm gonna tell you a fun fact about Enderman. If you shoot an Enderman, um, if you try to shoot an Enderman, he'll just like teleport. But if you shoot an Enderman, it will just bounce right off him and he won't take any damage. It's funny, and you're gonna be frustrated. Don't listen to him. Why isn't it melt? Why isn't it melting the ground, dude? Ooh, how much is this? Okay, it's a Oh, yes. I think that's gonna be my top one, top best one that I like. Dude, oh, it, if Minecraft was real, I hope it's not real. But if it was, I would definitely squish it with my feet and my arms. I do not like the pig. That's funny. Just hit him. That's so satisfying. Like and subscribe if you like satisfying stuff like this. Subscribe to this guy's channel and mine. I think that's illegal in real life. That's illegal in real life, I think. That house does look pretty nice. Why is it sticking? Ah! Whoa! You prank someone in this Minecraft at their house and they're like, no, what happened, man? What happened? Or you could do this with lava. Not the sheep. The sheep is like, what are you doing, man? Oh, I've seen this one. It's gonna be hard to blow up a house. This is what villagers get. I mean, pillagers. This is what you get for picking on the villagers. Oops. Okay. Like and subscribe, guys. See you in my next video. Wait, I forgot how to. Oh, great.